My name is Daniel, but you can call me Donnie Grace. I am the coach teaching you people how to lip sync your photos.
Alright, guys, good morning and good afternoon, rather. How are you doing? Yeah, alright, before I get started, I just want you to, I don't want to tell you some quick things. I don't want that I should please and please, don't take this, don't take this class playfully, like do it with all seriousness, because you can't see a coach that wants to teach you all these things free of charge. Most of them, they want to accept money, they want you to pay money, but I'm doing it to you free of charge. So please and please and please do it with all seriousness. And the second thing, if you know that you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, you can subscribe now. I drop AI videos, spicy ones, every week. Now guys, let's get started to the business of the day. For the photo lip sync that I told you I'll teach you, you will need an application called DreamFace. Let me show you how the application looks like. DreamFace. Yeah, these are the application look like. DreamFace. DreamFace. So you install it. It's not up to 60 MB at all. You can download it as a very affordable MB. So now let's go to the business of the day. Alright, when you first download it, it will now first bring you to this interface. You know, like other apps too, they will say that you need to log in with your email address and stuff like that. It's like you just log in with your email, log into it, and it will bring you to this dashboard. Then, in order to make your lip to sync, photo lip sync, you click on this avatar here. Click on it. Then it will break it to somewhere like this. You know, as you can see, I've already my registration because I used it recently. But if you want to use like a picture, you know, it will this plus button here. You click on this plus button here. You click on it. Do you understand? You click on it. Now you can add any feature of it, any photo rather of your choice that you want to lip sync. Any photo of yourself, any photo, you can just click on it. Just click on it. For this stream, I'm using this picture here. Then you click on confirm up here. Confirm. Then you click on it. After that.
Good morning, my name is Daniel, but you can call me Danny Grace.
First. So you see this stuff here that wrote want to this one, hope you can see it. You want it to talk, you click on one's avatar to say sing, you click on it. Then it will bring you to this interface here. You can record it your voice, you can import any voice from your gallery, you can import it, and you can search music or any content. Now you click on type here. Click on type. Alright. Let me just use my scanner.
The moment you call, I'm sure you know. If you want to see Joe Biden, then it's my line you're dialing. Merci beaucoup, I'm buying whatever you're selling.
You can click on, you can use any script you want. So you click on confirm up here. You click on it. Then now to pick
I'm an AI content creator and an affiliate.
Calm down, bro. This voice, you want to choose the voice. You can choose any voice you want. If you're a female, like it's only two genders that are there, female and male. understand? So if you are a female, you click on this choose voice. If you're a female.
Hello, welcome to DreamFace. We hope you have a wonderful day.
There are different voices you can use. You can use a chat voice. You can use a guy's voice. Any voice you want. Any voice you want to use. So because I'm a guy, I'll pick a male voice. Let me pick Andrew. No, Mike. Okay, pick this one. After picking any voice you want to, click on confirm. Click on confirm.
Marketer. Good morning, my name is Daniel, but you can call me Dan. Grace. I'm an
I want to animate it. You see this animate button here? This animate button down here. So you click on it. Then your photo lip syncing is almost ready. You understand? It's almost ready. So you have to wait for this to finish animating till it reaches 100%. At most 2 minutes, your video is ready. 2 minutes, your video is ready. Alright, while waiting for the video to load, you can click this view later in profile. You can click on it. That means when the video is done, you can view it later in profile. Now, in this, using this DreamFace, you can. I'm sure you have watched all these TikTok videos that you see that animals are talking. This is where they got everything from. Hope you can see. This is where they got everything from. The rate by which AI is taking over the world, wow. Different ones you can click here. Different ones. Okay, I think our video is ready. So here it is here. This one, the first one. Here it is. You understand? Click on it.
My name is Daniel, but you can call me Donnie Grace. I am the coach teaching you people how to lip sync your photos.
You can see.
My name is Daniel, but you...
Then, because like I said, it's very, very good. Very, very easy. Mobile friendly. Then you click on this download button here. Click on it to download everything. So your video will be saved to your album. Now let's go and check it out. Here's our album here. I hope you can see it now.
My name is Daniel, but you can call me Donnie Grace. I am the coach teaching you people how to lip sync your photos.
You can see it's very, very great. Very, very great. There are a lot of things about AI that people don't know. There are lots of things about AI that people don't know. Yeah, so we have come to the end of the training, or let's call it, the class. We have come to the end of the class. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you find this video very helpful. Thank you very much.